Hello and welcome to another episode of Antonella Goes Hunting. It's a hot and balmy 30 degrees today. So what's simple that I can easily prepare? Lamb burgers. Sounds divine. I'm going to show you lamb burgers that you can make up in no time. The first step is to make up a yogurt dressing, similar to a Greek tzatziki. We're going to dish out some Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt can be quite tarty in flavour, so I'm going to try and remove some of that tartness with the ingredients that we're adding. Lemon in half and squeeze the contents into the bowl. Use your fingers to stop the seeds from falling in. We're going to take some fresh mint leaves and remove them from the stalks. For the second step, we're going to slice and chop up some cucumber. Do a couple of slices and then chop those slices into small 5mm cubes. Place in a spoonful of Dijon mustard and then peel a garlic clove. And then we're going to mince it into the bowl. Add some salt and pepper and give it a good stir. Always taste it just to check that it's to your liking. The last step of the tzatziki involves cutting up half a Spanish onion. We're going to dice this quite fine. Chop the ends off the onion. I usually go about 2 or 3 mils a slice if you can. If you've got a mandolin at home, you can use one of those as well. I don't. I always find that I end up slicing my fingers. Turn the onion around and we'll give it a quick chop in the other direction. And then we'll keep our tzatziki aside for now and head on to the lamb mince. Have a 500-gram pack of lamb mince. Put it into a bowl. You want to put approximately 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper. We're going to put a couple of sprigs of chopped up coriander. Coriander really brings out the flavour in the lamb. Then we're going to crack 1 egg in here. The egg will help bind the mince. And then we're also going to place in 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. And then you want to give this a quick mix with your hands if you can. If not, a spoon is fine if this grosses you out. You just want to make sure that that egg is fully combined so that when we make our lamb patties, it all sits together in the pan and doesn't break apart. I do a little ball up and see if I can match the ball size. We want to make them as even as possible. Got 6 roughly the same size balls for our patties. Before we fry these, we want to give them a quick squash with our hands, just gently, and make sure that you've got a nice circle that's going to fit into your bun. Put a frying pan on the heat and turn it on to a low setting and put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil has reached heat, take your patty and gently put it into the frying pan. Once you've cooked the lamb patties for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, you actually want to remove them from the heat. I don't like my meat patties to be too dry in the centre, otherwise you're losing all the juiciness. Switch that heat off. Have a plate with some paper towel on top, and we're going to place them onto the paper towel so it'll get rid of any oiliness, and it will also give them a little bit of time to rest. Instead of butter, I have a preference for using avocado if I can, if it goes with the flavour of the dish. So with this particular lamb burger, instead of using the butter at the base to stick everything on, I'm going to use a mix of avocado and sour cream. Chop the avocado in half, peel it off, get the stone out, hit the stone hard with the knife, it'll get attached, you can throw this away. Spoon out the avocado flesh into the bowl, add some salt and pepper, and because this is lamb and it goes so well with lemon, we're going to use the other half of the lemon that we cut before in our avocado. Cup your hand so that no seeds go into the avocado bowl. Add a spoonful of the sour cream and then mash this up. Have your bread rolls flat on the bench, and then using a bread knife you can run the knife all the way around so you can get them all sliced at once. Take the top off, get your mashed avocado and put it on top and spread it out evenly across all 6 buns. On top of the avocado, place some spinach. We're going to slice up a tomato. Place 1 slice on each hamburger. Place one of our lamb patties on each of these. Then take your tzatziki and put a dollop on each one. Once you've sliced the burgers up, they're ready to go. You can either eat them as they are, quick meal. Otherwise, if you'd like to have a little bit more substantial food on the table, I'm happy to show you how to make a bean, carrot and mushroom salad with feta. That's very simple and is an easy accompaniment for your lamb burgers. Get some green beans. Usually about a handful is fine for the 2 of us. However, if you've got more people, obviously do a little bit more. We want to top and tail the green beans. We're going to peel 3 carrots. Chop the ends off and then cut them in half lengthways and then in half again lengthways. We're going to take about 6 to 8 mushrooms and just quarter them. Take 4 cloves of garlic, peel them, and then chop the garlic as fine as you can get it. Put a frying pan on a low heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil and leave it to heat up. Put your carrots in first. They're going to take the longest to cook. You still want a little bit of crispiness left in the carrot, okay? So we don't want to go over the top cooking them. Once they've been in the pan for a minute or 2, add your green beans. Make sure that they get nicely coated in oil as well. Add a dollop of honey and your garlic. With some salt and pepper, and then 20 grams of butter. Last of all, toss in your mushrooms. This is a great warm salad to make, especially in summer. And you can leave it and eat it cold if you like as well. Once everything is nicely coated and it's been in the frying pan for a good 3 to 5 minutes, turn the heat off and allow it to cool. Once your veggies are out, just get a little bit of parsley and a little bit of basil, and we're going to place this into the salad with our feta, and voila, a nice warm salad to serve with your lamb burger. And give them a rough chop. And with the feta, a small crumbling over the top of the salad is more than enough. You've got the butter and the oil in there already, so a touch lemon juice again, give it a quick stir. What a fabulous summery dish. Well, that's it from me today. Another episode of Antonella Goes Hunting finished with my simple and easy lamb burgers to make for lunch with a side dish of green beans, carrots and mushrooms drizzled with honey and feta if you prefer to have them with an accompaniment. It's time for me to have my lunch and go outside by the pool and enjoy the day. And I hope to hear from you soon. Don't forget to comment and follow my blog, and you'll be able to see when my next video pops up. See you next time. Happy hunting.